Why is Pluto not a planet now? Earlier, Pluto was regarded as one of the 9 planets of the solar system, but on 24th August 2006, it was removed from the list of planets by IAU, International Astronomical Union, because Pluto failed in fulfilling all criteria set for being a planet. As per Resolution 5A, a planet must orbit the Sun, must have enough gravity to become a ball-like structure, and needs to have cleared its orbit. First 2 criteria were fulfilled, but Pluto failed in satisfying the third one because a new object was discovered beyond its orbit which was larger than Pluto. That object was Eris, and Pluto failed in clearing this from its orbit, which was the third requirement of being a planet. Here Pluto failed. Now both Eris and Pluto are taken as dwarf planets, and now we have only 8 planets in our solar system. The Earth has also failed in clearing asteroids from its orbits. Why does salt melt ice? Water can take all 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. All such states are possible because the moving speed of molecules changes. Sometimes a question arises in mind: why on adding salt, ice starts melting? Actually, when salt is added, water molecules start running fast, so ice starts melting. In simple words, by adding salt, freezing point of water gets lowered, and so ice melts. Salt is NaCl, and on dissolving in water, it breaks up into the ions of Na and Cl, which later prevents ice from forming more too. However, such effect cannot take place by adding salt if water even in little amount is not present with ice. Ice is coated with a thin layer of liquid form of water, so such reaction always takes place. Not only by adding salt, ice can melt, but by adding any compound having more ions, it can melt, as in the example of calcium chloride. Why should one wear cotton clothes in summers? Summer is the most dreadful period, with the temperature rising to 47 degrees. To cool the body in this heat, the body tends to sweat, and to keep the body going in this sweat, one needs to wear clothes that are light in nature. Cotton, which is naturally grown fabric, allows air circulation, absorbs the sweat, and does not permit the fungus to enter the clothes. It absorbs the heat and keeps the body cool. The reason being the light color and weight of the cloth that allows the air to pass through. The cotton should be comfortable and not body hugging. Moreover, cotton is the perfect cloth for sensitive skin, as it acts against allergies and body odor. Stylish and classy, cotton is a perfect wear for summers. Why is snow white? Have you ever noticed that snow is white until it melts? Just like other things get their color because of the way light works, so does snow. When light shines onto earth, it shines a huge spectrum of energies that arise interpret as different colors. Snow and snowflakes are ice crystals mixed with air molecules. The air gaps between crystals, along with the complex shapes of the crystals, bounces the light beams around so much that all the wavelengths eventually get reflected out, giving it a white color.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.